Wake up. Meaning to stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. She woke up late today.
Put on.
Meaning to dress yourself in something. He put on his jacket. Don't forget to put on your shoes. Drop off. Meaning to take someone or something to a place. I'll drop you off at school. She dropped off the package at the post office. Look after. Meaning to take care of someone or something. She looks after her little brother. Can you look after my cat? Pick up. Meaning to lift something or collect someone. I'll pick you up at 8. She picked up the phone.
Turn on.
Meaning to start a machine or light. Please turn on the TV. He turned on the lights. Give up. Meaning to stop trying or stop doing something. Don't give up. He gave up smoking. Carry on. Meaning to continue doing something. Carry on working. She carried on talking. Turn off. Meaning to stop a machine or light. Turn off the radio, please. He forgot to turn off the lights.
Take off.
Meaning to remove clothes or when a plane leaves the ground. She took off her hat. The plane took off at 6 p.m. Come back. Meaning to return to a place. Come back soon. He came back from school. Go out. Meaning to leave home for social activities. Let's go out tonight. She goes out with friends every weekend. Hang out. Meaning to spend time relaxing or socializing. I like to hang out with my friends. They're hanging out at the park. Hold on. Meaning to wait for a short time. Hold on a minute. Please hold on. I'm coming. Find out. Meaning to discover or get information. I found out the truth. Let's find out what happened. Check in. Meaning To register at a hotel or airport. We checked in at the hotel.
Please check in at the desk.
Check out. Meaning, to leave a hotel or to look at something. We checked out at noon. Check out this new app. Make up. Meaning, to invent a story or to become friends again. Don't make up stories. They made up after the fight.
Call back.
Meaning, to phone someone again. I'll call you back later. She called him back in the evening.
Sit down.
Meaning, to take a seat. Please sit down. He sat down on the chair. Stand up. Meaning, to rise to your feet. Stand up, please. Everyone stood up when the teacher came in.
Come in.
Meaning, to enter a place. Come in, please. She came in quietly.
Take out.
Meaning, to remove something from somewhere. Take out the trash. He took out his phone.